Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Portuguese cuisine, focusing on a hidden gem, Portuguese green soup. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a treat, and even if you're familiar with it, we've got some unknown facts to share. Before we get into those lesser-known facts, let's start by preparing the ingredients for this fantastic soup. You'll need potatoes, collard greens, chorizo, garlic, olive oil, and some secret spices. Now let's see the preparation method. In a large pot over medium heat, warm the oil. Add the chorizo and cook until lightly browned on both sides, 3 to 5 minutes. Dump the onions into the pot. Sprinkle with salt and cook, stirring occasionally, until softened and translucent. Add the garlic and cook for 2 minutes more. Stir in the potatoes. Add the water or combination of water and chicken stock, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat so the soup gently simmers. Cook until the potatoes are almost tender, 10 to 20 minutes. Remove from the heat and let the soup cool slightly. When the Caldo Verde has cooled a little, puree it using an immersion blender. Only 1 slice of chorizo is added to each bowl, although some chefs like to add half the sausage to the soup before pureeing. Add the kale to the soup, bring everything back to a boil, and then reduce the heat and simmer until tender, 2 to 5 minutes. Season with more salt, if needed, and pepper. Ladle the Caldo Verde into bowls and garnish with the remaining slices of chorizo. The soup can be cooled, covered, and refrigerated overnight. Simply warm over low heat before serving. Now, let's explore some surprising facts about Portuguese green soup. Fact number 1. The origins of Portuguese green soup date back to the 16th century. It's believed that Portuguese sailors brought the concept of green soups from their voyages and adapted it with local ingredients, giving birth to this unique dish. Let's move on to the second surprising fact. Most people think of chorizo as a Spanish ingredient, but it's also a key player in Portuguese green soup. The smoky and savory flavor of chorizo adds a unique twist to this dish, making it distinct from other green soups around the world. Our soup is ready. Let's move on to the third intriguing fact. Portuguese green soup has been a beloved meal for students for decades. It's often served in universities and schools throughout Portugal, providing a nutritious and hearty meal to keep students energized during their studies. It's tasting time, but before that, let's delve into fact number 4. This soup isn't just delicious, it's incredibly healthy too. Packed with collard greens, potatoes, and chorizo, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Collard greens, in particular, are loaded with vitamins and fiber, making this dish a delightful and nutritious choice. While collard greens are the traditional choice for Portuguese green soup, some regions substitute them with cilantro or mint, giving the soup a distinct twist. It's amazing how this dish can be customized to suit different regional preferences. Portuguese green soup is more than just a dish, it's a symbol of unity and tradition. It's often served at family gatherings and celebrations, bringing people together to share a hearty and heartwarming meal. Now, let's talk about the regional variations and flavors of this iconic soup. Before we wrap up, let's provide some top tips for making the perfect Portuguese green soup. Tip number 1. Start with the best quality ingredients. Fresh collard greens, a good quality chorizo, and extra virgin olive oil will take your soup to the next level. Tip number 2. Be careful not to overcook the collard greens. To maintain their vibrant color and nutrients, add them to the soup towards the end of the cooking process. Let's explore how Portuguese green soup plays a role in cultural traditions and festivals. On Holy Thursday in Portugal, it's a long-standing tradition to eat Portuguese green soup. This tradition is rooted in religious significance, as the ingredients represent humility, a reminder of the Last Supper. Now that you know all about this soup, you might be wondering, what are the best pairings for Portuguese green soup? This soup goes wonderfully with a crusty piece of Portuguese bread, and some people like to add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for extra richness. It's also a fantastic match with a glass of Vinho Verde, a Portuguese white wine known for its crisp, refreshing taste. For our viewers who prefer a vegan or vegetarian option, we've got you covered. To make a vegan or vegetarian version of Portuguese green soup, Simply omit the chorizo, and you can use vegetable broth or water for a flavorful base. And there you have it, an in-depth look into the world of Portuguese green soup, its cultural significance, regional variations, and some top tips for making it at home. Whether you prefer the traditional version or are exploring vegan or vegetarian options, this soup is a true delight. If you enjoyed learning about Portuguese green soup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. We love sharing the world's diverse flavors with you. So, until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep savoring the taste of different cultures. Happy cooking, and as they say in Portugal, bom appetit!